Making money online can feel overwhelming. There are so many tools, platforms, and confusing steps that most beginners give up before they even start. But what if you could skip the hard part and have everything done for you? That's exactly what the Automatic Builder Affiliate Program does. It gives you a ready-to-go system that makes starting passive income simple. Today I'm going to walk you step by step through how this program works, and how you can start using it right away, even if you've never done affiliate marketing before. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up your account, get your unique affiliate link, and begin sharing it to start earning. Automatic Builder is designed for beginners. Instead of spending weeks building websites, designing sales pages, and figuring out email automation, you get a system that's already built. It captures leads, sends out follow-up emails, and directs people straight to offers that can earn you commissions. Basically, all the heavy lifting is done. You just focus on sharing your link. Let me show you how easy it is to get started. Step 1. Go to the sign-up page using the link in my description. Step 2. Create your free account. It only takes a minute. Step 3. Once you log into the dashboard, you'll see your personal affiliate link ready to go. From here, you can start promoting it anywhere, on social media, through email, or even by sharing it directly with friends who are curious about making money online. The system automatically follows up with every lead you send, so you don't have to worry about writing emails or chasing people. That's the beauty of automation. What I love most is how beginner-friendly this is. You don't need tech skills, you don't need a big budget, and you don't need to spend hours creating content before you can even get started. It's plug and play, and that means you can start building passive income today. If you're ready to take action, click the link below to create your free account with Automatic Builder. I'll also be sharing more videos on how to promote your link and grow your income step by step, so make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. This is one of the simplest ways to get started in affiliate marketing, so don't wait, start today.